Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to craft a Sharpness 255 sword in Minecraft 1.2 1.6. If this helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fast tech tips. Let's jump right in. This trick works in the latest Minecraft 1.2 1.6 Java edition. Start by launching the game and loading a world. Create a new one with cheats on or enable them in an existing world via LAN settings. Cheats are a must. Once in-game, hit the T key to bring up the chat. Copy and paste this command. You find it in the description, then press enter. Boom! You've got a netherite sword that slices through anything, even the wither. Feel free to swap netherite sword for diamond sword or another weapon if you like. It's perfect for creative fun or testing, but it's too powerful for survival without cheats. And that's it. You've successfully grabbed a Sharpness 255 sword in Minecraft 1.2 1.6. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.